This video is a part of our Understanding French Grammar series. In today's video, we are going to explore an essential part of the French language, direct object pronouns. Hello, and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. So, what exactly are direct object pronouns, and why do we need them? To understand this, first we should know what is direct object. The direct object is a person, animal, thing, or event which receives the action of the verb. Normally, we can find the direct object in the sentence by asking question, what or who? For example, if I say, I am reading a book. To get the direct object, we should ask the question, what am I reading? The answer is a book, which is a direct object here. Next, let's learn what is direct object pronoun. Direct object pronouns typically take the place of a noun that has already been mentioned previously or is otherwise understood. So, direct object pronouns often replace a noun to avoid repetition. Let's see how it works with the previous example. I would just replace the book with its direct object pronoun. So, now it will be, I am reading it. Where it is the direct object pronoun for a book. Let's see how do we do this in French. Here is the list of the English direct object pronouns and its corresponding French pronouns. First in this list is me,
me,
you,
te,
him,
le,
her,
la,
us,
nous,
you,
vous,
them.
les.
But just knowing them is not helpful. It is important to know how to use them in sentences. We use direct object pronouns when the sentence is made up of three parts. Subject plus verb plus object. For example,
Je lis le livre.
in this sentence, the subject is,
Je
the verb is,
lis
and the object is.
le livre.
Let's replace the direct object with its pronoun. As the direct object is masculine, we will replace with the corresponding pronoun, which is.
Le,
Looks easy, right? But there is slight change we have to make in the structure of the sentence. The direct object pronoun will always be placed before the verb. So, while using the direct object pronoun, the structure of the sentence will be subject plus pronoun plus verb. So, let's arrange the last example in correct order.
Je le lis.
That's perfect. Let's see some more example to understand this. I see them.
Je les vois. Les.
Is used here because we are referring to plural nouns. He sees me.
Il me voit.
I understand you.
Je te comprends.
She is watching him.
Elle le regarde.
They are listening us.
Il nous écoute.
All right, we have just learned how to use direct object pronoun in present tense. To summarize, in present tense, French direct object pronouns replace the direct object in a sentence and always go before the verb. That's all for now. In coming video, we will learn how to use direct object pronoun in past and future tense. Till then, goodbye and keep practicing. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.